YouTube, what's good? What's going on, baby? Did you miss me? All right, check this out. I got a repeat customer. Got a child that's graduating from high school, about to have a party. And they sent me a realistic photo. I'm talking about they got these pictures made, and they wanted me to transform the photo into some artwork, and I did it. And we're gonna get right into that right after my intro. Yeah, so like I was saying, YouTube, I got a repeat customer that hit me up that needed 5 shirts. Yeah, 5 realistic shirts made for an event that they're having. But not only that, they had some professional photos taken, and they needed me to convert the photo into a shirt of an actual image that they saw before that they like, and it's just like a whole bunch of madness. And I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, I can do it. But boom, started thinking, how am I gonna do it? Am I gonna go with super color? Can FM even do this? Can Silver Mountain even do this? Can 613s do this? You know, all these different, companies going flashing off, ringing off in my brain, and how much is it gonna cost and materials. And then you know what? Light bulb went off in my head. Keep hearing a lot of things about this DTF. So guess what? We're gonna do some DTF transfers today. All right. I found this guy or company on Etsy, all right, that supplies DTF transfers, and he gives you options. I went with the 22 by 36 option. That's pretty big, man. And he allows you to gang. So I said, you know what? Let me try this. Let me try this company out. All right, let me tell you the company name real quick before I show you guys the artwork. All right, the company name is Agmat Designs, but the contact name is Ronald. All right, so I hit Ronald up. I made my purchase via Etsy. Hit him up, sent him my artwork via email, and he sent me back these beautiful things we have here. Okay, now like I said, the option I went with was the 22 by 36 inch option, but it looks like he cut them up to make them fit in the packaging. Okay, so there's one of the larger versions that I ganged up on the sheet. Here's one of the smaller versions. All right, I feel like they came out beautiful. This is my first time actually like recreating a colorful professional photo and turning it into a black and white photo. But everything worked out. I'm pleased with it. Now I just have to see how they're actually gonna come out on these shirts. All right, now, like I said, this is gonna be my first time, going the DTF route. So if I like it, maybe that's an avenue, that I can go down and explore a lot more in the future. I know one thing, I'm definitely not buying no damn DTF machine. For one, I don't got no space for it, and for two, it's kind of pricey. So I'm not gonna buy something that's pricey that I don't have a lot of space for. I might as well, keep doing what I've been doing. Going the transfer route with actual people that supply the transfers that got all this big ass expensive equipment, right? So let's get into it. Oh, and I'm gonna pip in the original photo of what the customer sent me as well, so you guys can see the comparisons and pretty much tell me how I did. If I did a good job, a shitty job, y'all let me know. All right. Hey, and before this video is over, y'all know what y'all gotta do. Hit that thumbs up. Make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss anything. All right. So I didn't even open the tees up yet. I ordered the tees from jiffyshirts.com. Alright. He wanted the heather gray. He loves heather gray for some reason. So I got some nice next level tees for him. You know, I didn't want to go with no trash cheap tees, so I went with the next level 90% cotton, 10% polyester option. All right. Now, the instructions on the actual DTF pamphlet calls for a pre-press to get all the moisture out of the tee before you actually apply the transfer. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that one time. One time for your mind. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the moisture should be out of that. Now, I'm gonna press one up, y'all. Then I'm gonna bring y'all in close and press up another one. All right? How y'all feel about that? Y'all good? Y'all good with that? Let's go. Now it says to cover the DTF transfer with Teflon or parchment paper, whatever you have. I got a Teflon sheet, so we're gonna go with this. Oh, and I forgot to mention, for the temperature, it calls for 350 degrees Fahrenheit temp with a press time of 15 seconds. So heat press is already set for those options. So we're good to go. I gotta get another Teflon sheet, y'all. This Teflon sheet is trash. So here we go. Now, it's not a hot peel like some of the other companies that I use. All right, it's a cold peel, so we're gonna have to press this up, let it chill out for a little while, and then peel it, see how it looks. All right. So I'm gonna let that chill out real quick. Okay, so it cooled down. I'm gonna bring y'all in close while I peel this thing so we can see how it looks. That came out popping, y'all. Woo! That came out popping. What y'all think? Now it says to go ahead and press it down for 10 more seconds with the Teflon sheet again. So let's go ahead and do that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. have it. So there you go. There's the tee. Let me know what y'all think. Like I said, it's my first time going the DTF route. It's soft to touch. I think it feels pretty good. The image came out pretty sweet. As far as wash testing, all right, since it's not mine, I won't be doing any wash testing or any updates because it's not mine. So there you go. There is my first DTF project for a repeat customer, and I think they're going to be very, very happy. All right, till next time, I hope y'all working hard on your brands. And like I always say, choose your own path. Skip.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.